In this problem, we're going to move one of the terms to the other side. I'll choose this term on the right. So it'll be e to the y plus 1 squared times e to the negative y dx is equal to negative e to the x plus 1 cubed times e to the negative x dy. Now I can divide the terms to the y to the right side and divide the terms with the x on the left side. And I'll get dx over negative e to the x plus 1 cubed times e to the negative x. This will be equal to dy over e to the y plus 1 squared times e to the negative y. Now I can take the integral of both of the sides, and this e to the negative x will get flipped to the top, so it'll be negative times the integral of e to the x over e to the x plus 1 cubed dx. And the same thing will happen to this e of y on the right side. So it'll be the integral of e of y over e of y plus 1 squared dy. Now I can use u sub. U will be e to the x plus 1 for the left side. Du will be e to the x dx. And as you can see, the e to the x is right there. And then this term right here is u. So it'll be negative times the integral. It'll be 1 over u cubed du. So it'll be negative integral u to the negative 3 du, which evaluates to u to the negative 2 over 2, and then plus c. Now we can plug in the u. The u was e to the x plus 1. So the left side evaluates to e to the x plus 1 to the power of negative 2 over 2 plus c. So this will become 1 over 2 times e to the x plus 1 squared plus c. So that's the left side done. Now I can move over to and do the right side. It's the same process. It's going to be u sub. In this case, u is going to be e to the y plus 1. Du is going to be e to the y dy. So the integral will be 1 over u squared du. This will be u to the negative 2 du, which will be negative u to the negative 1 plus c. So it'll be negative, and u is e to the y plus 1 to the negative 1, and then plus c. And again, the term can be moved to the bottom, so it'll be negative 1 over e to the y plus 1 plus c. You can set these equal to each other, and you don't need the c on the right because it's redundant. So I can write the final answer by moving that negative to the other side. So it'll be 1 over e to the y plus 1 will be equal to negative 1 over 2 times e to the x plus 1 squared plus c. And that's our final answer. If this video helped you, consider subscribing.